Verblio application process. If you want to apply to Verblio, go here and click on the Apply Now button. You'll start by creating an account. To create an account, give them name, email, set up a password. Check the box to accept the Verblio terms of service. Check your email immediately and confirm your email address. When you do, you'll be redirected to an application. The application requires your full name. They won't publish your name, and your clients will only see the pen name you choose. But Verblio needs to know who you are so they can pay you. Here's what else they ask on the application. They ask how you heard about them. There's an open cell to write whatever information you want them to know. You could include your blog page, professional interests, or activities you enjoy. Are you legally authorized to work in the U.S.? Are you willing to write in spec? This is also known as speculative. For Verblio, this means that customers will choose which posts they want to purchase. If your post is sold, you'll be paid for it. You will retain ownership of unpurchased posts. Do you understand what plagiarism is and agree to never plagiarize on their platform? If you do submit content that Verblio determines to be plagiarized, they will remove you immediately without notice. Do you understand that you will be an independent contractor for Verblio, not an employee? Upon submitting the application, you are given a short, multiple-choice quiz to test your proofreading and grammar skills. You need to get 7 out of 10 correct, and you can take the test twice. So take your time. Your test is graded immediately, and if you pass, you are then presented with a plagiarism exam. The plagiarism exam is a thorough description of what Verblio considers to be plagiarism, followed by 5 questions. Upon completion, if you pass that exam, you are asked to finish signing up by filling out a W-9 tax form. You need to have a valid social security number and be legally allowed to work in the U.S. Good news! If you're a traveler, you don't need to physically reside in the U.S. Once you have submitted your W-9, it says, awaiting approval. They will check your W-9 to make sure you can work in the U.S. You should receive a return email within a week. They receive a lot of applications and ask that you don't contact them to check on it.